Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Wednesday, 19th November 2025, Nifty Index opened on a flattish note and drifted towards 25,880 zone in the initial hour. However, bulls soon stepped in and pushed the index towards 26K. Despite the upward attempt, Nifty was unable to sustain above 26,000 marks and again witnessed profit booking in the final hour. The index continues to remain stuck in a range of 300 points over the last few sessions, reflecting a phase of consolidation. On the daily chart, it formed a bearish candle and ended the session with losses of around 100 points. India VIX was up by around 2.6% to 12.1 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.96. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,400 to 26,300, while immediate range is in between 25,700 to 26,100. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 1,234 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 2,395 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 12%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 25,800 for the next up move towards 26,000 and 26,100. While support can be seen at 25,800 and 25,700. Bank Nifty has to hold above 58,750 for the next up move towards a new life high territory of 59,250 and 59,500 zones, while support has shifted higher to 58,750 and 58,500. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in GMR Airport, Hoodco, Bharti Airtel, PG Electroplast, Axis Bank, Biocon and Bain, while some weakness could be seen in Kaynes Technologies, Lodha, DLF, Hindustan Zinc and Piramal Pharma. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.